Stonewall Partners. Thank you for joining us for this week's tip of the week. So in this video I just wanted to elaborate a little bit on what Ryan was talking about a couple of weeks ago in his last video with regards to putting. Now he gave a great tip in regards to developing your feel and your distance control on the greens. Now if you do go back and review that video, a great thing to look at is you watch both of the putts he hit. Both of those putts finished pretty much the exact same distance behind the hole. Now that's a great attribute to good consistent putters. Is what that allows us to do is actually review and be able to assess and read our putts a lot more consistently. Now if we're hitting putts that go 4 or 5 feet past the hole and maybe a putt that finishes dead weight, that's always going to give us different lines and therefore will make it a lot harder for us to actually learn and read our putts more effectively. So one thing is that when you are out practicing, when you're hitting putts, is really trying to feel or really trying to see that ball finish a consistent distance past or at the hole. So for me, I always like to hit my putts dead weight. And you watch a lot of the guys in the Open this week, watch how many of the times when they hit a 15, 20 foot putt, their ball's always within 2-3 inches behind the hole. So they're never really struggling for another putt back to the hole. They're always just tapping in. So from here is if we hit a couple of putts, you'll notice is that when I hit these 2 putts here, okay, so I'm going to hit this other one. Now you can notice how my ball was finished almost exactly the same distance behind the hole. Now I can actually learn and read how that ball broke so that when I find myself in a similar situation down the road, maybe further into a round or another day, you'll be able to analyze and read that putt more effectively as opposed to maybe reading it with less break or more break depending on how hard we hit it. So always take pace into consideration and that will really help you to start learning how to read your putts more effectively. So if you do have any more suggestions for us in the Pro Shop, please don't hesitate to contact them. We'd be more than happy to do a few reviews on any issues you're having. Thanks for watching.